Alright, there it goes. Cool.
Alright, so I need you guys to get a piece of paper out and a writing utensil. Something to write with. Is that cool?
Paper.
Piece of paper.
What kind of paper? It ain't with blank paper work?
Blank paper is cool.
Pull CDs off. Make it quick. We have some blank paper right here. Mr. B does there.
Yeah, raise your hand if you want a piece of paper.
Mike, clean up that mess too on your table. Get it organized there, please.
You can pull that up.
Sure. We're,
I think I still got it like under PowerPoint.
say my presentation.
Yeah. Yeah, paper.
Is it under Prezi?
No, it's just on the PowerPoint application.
Oh, down the bottom. Okay. David, go switch that one like flop it down there. The other one up there. Sure. Yup. Your mom was clear on that.
How you doing today, Taylor? Does everyone have a piece of paper? Give me a thumbs up if you got a piece of paper. Cool. Give me a thumbs up if you got a pencil. Give me a thumbs up if you're ready to learn. All right.
Good morning, Wheel Rackets. It is Friday, the 1st of December, 2017. Please stand for the pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. You may be seated, Rackets. Today is Polar Express tonight, 5:30 to 7:30 movie night, and I believe there might be some special things happening at movie night. Bring a blanket or bring a sleeping bag, something that, or a towel even, you can lie down on. Popcorn day today, so if you didn't get your popcorn money to the office, make sure you get that down here. And for Monday, there'll be golden crispy popcorn chicken for lunch, grilled cheese, and a jammer. If you don't like those choices, bring a lunch from home on Monday. All right, next week, as you probably noticed, it's December. It's getting colder, and I heard it's going to snow midweek. So you're going to want to remember next week to wear your hat, your gloves, your boots possibly on Wednesday when I hear the snow is coming. But always have a change of boots to shoes to put on. All right. So, boys and girls, work hard, be productive, be kind, and remember, we believe in you, and so should you.
All right. So, can someone raise their hand and tell me what they see on the board? Yes. Different type of species of penguin. What does species mean? Does anyone know what species means? Like different types, right? They're all the same animal, right? They're all what? They're all penguins, but they're what? Different types of penguins, all right? So, at your little groups, I want you guys to come up for maybe 3 minutes, maybe a couple of things you know about penguins. You guys can talk and come up with some ideas what you know about penguins. Where they live, what do they eat?
Should be on some of the groups. Should be real good because we were studying this in the emperor penguins in our reading group, so they might know some of it.
All right, so I want you guys to talk in your groups and then write down what you know about penguins, and then we're going to talk about it as a class, okay?
Yes, John.
Yes.
Oh, skip. I'll give you this. She was up front.
Yep, write down what you know, okay?
Yeah, write down what you know about penguins on your paper. You need a paper too? You write down what you know about penguins.
Make sure you're talking to your teammates. Should be seeing something down on everyone's paper. Bless you. Does someone have a fact they know about penguins? Raise your hand if you got a fact. You have to go up on the board and write down the fact. You have a fact? Let's go up on the board. Keep your hand in the air if you have a fact about penguins. So after you write a fact about the penguins on the board, you can pass it to someone else. So if you see someone with their hand up, probably give them the marker. Pass it to someone. Anyone have another fact they'd like to share? Keep talking with your people next to you. What do you know about penguins? Spell as best as you can. Your question? Go get a turn a second. You guys know a lot about penguins. I thought I was the penguin expert. I think you guys are the penguin experts. Thank you, Arnold. We're all going to share, okay? All right, guys, give me 5. Everyone, give me 5. I don't see everyone giving me 5. All right, so I'm going to read on the board what you guys wrote. What we know about penguins. Penguins mostly eat fish. Do we agree? Give me a thumbs up if you agree. All right, I see everyone agree, so I'm going to give that a check mark. How about this one? Penguins are good babysitters and keep the babies warm. Do you guys agree that?
Yep.
Give me a thumbs up if you agree. All right. How about this one? When penguins are juniors, they are old enough to go in the water because they have waterproof skin. Thumbs up, you agree? Everyone agree?
Yeah.
All right. They eat fish and, what does that say, krill? Squid and krill. When penguins are first born, they need food from the mother or they will die. Do we agree with that statement?
Yeah.
All right. The last one, the father penguin has to keep the egg warm and the father sleeps standing up. Do we agree with that statement too? All right, we'll give that a check mark. So you guys know a lot about penguins already. I'm gonna play a little video about penguins.
No, you can
Mr. Robinson, how do I switch to
on the thing there where it says the lamp, where the blue buttons are, no, on there where it has the lamp, overhead lamp, hit that button right on there.
this one?
Oh, on the flat surface there. Go further. All right, thank you. Good talk.
You too, sir. Take care.
Thank you. If any problems, I'll let you know those too.
Okay. Yeah.
No,
Yeah.
I got your number. You see that?
Love you. Be good. Yeah. I'm good. Yeah. Be good.
register.
The internet again?
Having some technical difficulties.
Yeah, normally it's right to the left. I'll mess with it while you talk.
Alright, so we gotta change of plans. So, someone wrote about how, did anyone write about how penguins swim in the water?
Oh, I did.
On my list.
Okay. So, where do penguins swim in the water? Yeah, Dante.
Ice cold water.
Ice cold water. Where?
Ocean
The
water.
ocean water.
Salt water.
Salt water, right? Which ocean do they live in?
Antarctica.
Yes, Tommy? Antarctica. Where's Antarctica found?
Antarctica.
Antarctica. Is that at the top of the earth or the bottom of the earth? At the bottom of the earth, right? At the bottom of the earth, that's where Antarctica is. And that's a big piece of ice, right? And that's the only place where penguins are found. So polar bears, they're found in the north, right? In the North Pole. Oh, cool, we got it. All right, so when you guys watch this video, yeah, I want you guys to notice how the penguin walks, how the penguin uses his wings. Just watch him.
That's crazy. That's how they speak.
What do you notice about where he's living?
In the summer cold.
It's cold, right?
Look, we're shaking her head. Just tell them to go back to where you want to go. It looks like it's walking.
So I want you guys to start thinking about how does a penguin stay warm at the bottom of the earth where there's nothing but ice? Just think about it.
That's a good one. It sounds funny to some people down here. He said that's not. It's useful because it's not.
So penguins, these type of penguins, these are called emperor penguins. You know how tall they are? They're about 4 feet tall. So they're about maybe a little bit taller than you guys. They're pretty big. The emperor penguin is the largest type of penguin. Remember how we said there's different species? You guys remember that? So this is the largest species.
We're all close.
All right, Mr. Robinson, I think that's good.
Whoa.
That was a quick ass. That was a quick ass.
It looks like he's using his beak to get up. He is because he's too fat to use his wings.
Well, he did use his beak. I didn't catch that. Like he posted his beak.
Yeah,
in
he
the
put his
snow.
beak in the ground and then he picked. I gotta see that again. He pushed his beak into the ground.
All right, guys, give me 5. All right. So I asked that question, how do penguins keep warm? Right? I told you guys to think about that. We noticed where he lived, there was nothing but what?
Ice and
Snow and ice, right? So how do penguins keep warm? I want you to think for a couple minutes with your teams, right? Talk about it. Talk about it with the people around.
Popcorn, you What's that? One bag your friends want.
Oh, here.
Yes, it's blubber. I had her name in. That's what she said. She didn't say blubber. Yeah, blubber. How do you spell it?
You write that down?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, you keep checking. What you guys think about over here? That? Oh yeah. I'll hold on to this for fun time. Color later. Draw.
Alright, guys. Give me 5. I don't see everyone giving me 5. Alright. If someone would like to share? I heard some really good answers when I was going around. So while they're writing on the board, I'm going to pass out this sheet of paper, okay? Are you sure you put your name on it? And then answer the first question for me. You can use whatever's on the board. You can use your friend.
For yourself.
Just leave the marker up there, okay? While they're writing on the board, remember, I want you guys to answer the first question. Tell me 3 things you know about penguins. I'll take the marker. Blubber. S2. B-L-U. U-B-B-E-R. Perfect. Perfect. Yep, you're good. Perfect. All right, touch your nose if you're ready to listen. Touch your nose if you're ready to listen. I don't see everyone touching their nose. All right, so the question was, how do penguins keep warm? The layer of fat could keep it warm. Penguins keep warm with a layer of fat or blubber. They have fat on them to keep them warm. Does everyone agree with those statements? Give me a thumbs up if you agree. You agree? All right. So that thing called blubber, right? Who can tell me what blubber is? Layers of fat. And what does that fat do for us?
Keep us warm.
Keeps us what?
Warm.
Keeps us warm. Do you think any other animals have blubber?
No. Yes. Yeah.
What type of animal?
A polar bear.
A polar bear?
Tiger. Whale.
A whale? An Arctic fox? That's a good one. Maybe fish? Like whales, right? A dog?
They have they have fur, but they don't have blubber.
Do they go in the water?
Yeah.
Like penguins or polar bears?
Sometimes they go in the water, but not like
Killer whale?
Killer.
Black bear? So some more things about the penguin, right? Remember I told you they're the tall. Give me five, ready to listen. Well, the penguins are what? Can you read the first? Can you read the top part for me if you can read it?
12 feet tall. The tallest
How about this one?
They can fly.
Well, what type of animal is a penguin? They're birds, right? They're birds that cannot fly.
Live up to 20 years.
So remember that thing what I said about blubber? Can you guys put your listening ears on for a second? I'm going to read the slide, okay? Blubber is found in animals who swim in very cold waters. It keeps animals warm while swimming in this water. Blubber is a large layer of fat. Got the sunlight in the way.
Yes. My blackout up there came down. Fix it.
But anyways, right?
It's coming from there.
What do we know about blubber? Keeps you warm, right? Okay. Polar bear. I don't know.
Well, I had saw it before when I went camping with my dad.
Okay.
Okay.
So I want you guys to continue working on the worksheet, and we're going to do an experiment, okay? So check this out. In here, I got some very cold water, right? I got cold water. And in here, I have this stuff. It's called shortening. You know what it's like?
No. Yes.
Has anyone ever seen this before?
Yes.
This stuff is like fat. It's like blubber. It's like goopy stuff, right? Big old goopy stuff. Goopy. I put it in this bag over here, right? Got it in this big old bag. And what we're gonna do is I'm gonna make a glove out of it.
That looks like flour for fish. Yeah. I think flour for fish.
Battered, yeah.
Yeah, it looks like that. Maybe to make it all yummy.
So Ruby, can you read the pre-experiment question?
Do you think the blubber glove will keep your hand warm in the ice? Water circle yes or no? Why do you think so?
So can you guys answer the second question? So I got this glove. I'm gonna make this glove. I'm gonna put my hand in here. And then I'm gonna put my hand in the cold water.
I can hear it anytime.
So I need you guys to answer the first question first. When everyone answers the first question, then we can move on.
Okay.
It's not the real fat, that's correct. It's very close though.
Yeah. Very simple.
Yes. I want to touch it.
Whatever you think, no one's going to give you your answers. They want your answers.
Make sure you put why though. Make sure you put why. Why did you circle yes or why did you circle no?
Already done for you.
What's up? You answer the question. Oh, I didn't get you one? Let me get you one. One second, okay? All right, Ruby, you can come to the carpet. Angel can come to the carpet. You can come to the carpet. You don't need to bring your paper. You just need to bring your listening ears. Once you answer the question, you can come to the carpet and sit down.
Good morning. If you have not set down your popcorn money and your count, please do that now.
You can come, Aisha. You come. It's okay. You guys can come. Cedric, Kayla, come on. Okay. I need some room. I need some room over here. All right. Can I get some room?
Yeah, but I don't have no house. You should sit on your phone. You can sit in front of you.
All right. So can someone share me their answer to the second question? What'd you circle? Why did you circle yes? It's warm, right? What'd you circle? You circled no. Why did you say no? It's not the real fat. Did everyone hear that? It's not the real stuff, right? It's only kind of like it. Does anyone else want to share their answer?
When we went to the zoo, we did an experiment on blubber. One half was with ice and one was with, I can't remember that stuff that they put in there. But when we put our hand in there, one side was warm and one side was cold.
Okay.
And when we put it in, the ice was more freezing, but the other side was still warm.
All right.
What if a penguin popped out like that?
So do I have any volunteers who would like to Autumn, would you like to volunteer for us? All right. So what you got to do is come over here, stand up,
Yeah.
and I want you to put your hand in the cold water, and then I want you to put your hand in here too, in the water. Put one hand in there. Now put it in the water. Now put your other hand in the water. You notice any difference? Hold on. It's August turn.
Get back.
Okay, take your hands out. I got a napkin for you.
Hey.